Somkhulu, God bless you so much. Dumisa siyabonga kakhulu. Lisisilihle Dumisa siyabonga Dumisa omkhulu. Siyabonga baba. Gcwensa, God bless you. Hope you are doing right. Nomama nomngani wami. Siyabonga kakhulu. uNkulunkulu angibusele nina kakhulu. Sesithandazile bazalwane. Ngicela ukubala izinto nje. I'm just going to count 4 things, 5 things that ezingama good habit ofanele umzalwane nje kube umkhuba wakhe ukuthi umkhuba ke into oyiphushayo wena uyenze njalo ungayiyeki. Umkhuba akusiyona into wrong. Umkhuba uno positive no negative. Khona umkhuba omuhle bona cha yazi umkhuba omuhle into eyenziwayo lo muntu. Bese kuba khona ke futhi umkhuba omubi because ihabit akuyona abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi ihabit makuzokhamba lo mkhuba bathi awu shit wrong. No. Umkhuba ihabit into odecide ukuthi uyijwayeze yona. Yabo izinto oyijwayeza zona. Unemkhuba ke eminye emihle othi uma wayifundisa impilo yakho ukuyijwayeza khona then you become a winner. Number 1 ufanele wazi ukuthi noma yini oyenza more than 3 times lokhu uyiphindelela kungase kwenzeka ibe semathubeni igcina isiwumkhuba. Uyabona abantu abakhulumayo ke ngendlela zabo abanye bane number la depending bathi hayi umkhuba uthi into ibe ihabit ingakuthatha mhlambe insuku ezu5 ezu6 lokhu uphinda uyenza kodwa mase kufanele iphume uhlukane nayo ekuthatha isikhathi eside kunesikhathi eyangena ngaso. So ingakho ke we encourage umkhuba omuhle uze noma ungayekeki kodwa kube ukuthi akuyekeki into eright. So I want to say today as believers, as children of God, there are things ofanele thina njengabazalwane sizijwayeze nje yona sikwenze kube umkhuba wethu omuhle. Some of us abanye bethu asibanga nalo lethuba elihle kanjalo lokuba sijwayeze nje umkhuba right okwenza izinto. Okay, number 1 ke habit number 1 engifina sikhulumeni ngawo namhlanje. Umkhuba elo oseBhayibhelini umkhuba okuhlangana okuya njalo enkonzweni. Lonto ihabit umkhuba nje ukuthi njalo ungaskiphi inkonzo nokulova enkonzweni unnecessarily. Lonto uyakwazi ukuyenza ube umkhuba omuhle nje uyijwayeze. I-fellowship ukuhlanganyela uhamba uyokhonza ngaba angisho inkonzo ezinkulu. Yazi some of us they are thinking of ama-conference vele siyephasikeni manje. Omunye ucabanga indaba yephasika umhlangano omkhulu wesonto njalo. No. Ama-activities nje onke asenkonzweni because le platform eyabazalwane. Ama-activities nje onke asenkonzweni make it a point that you attend them regularly. Kungaba home cell service. Izinkonzo abayibiza ngithiwa inkonzo zasemakhaya eziba seduze nje kwakwakho. Uma nje kunama programs ama-activities nje awenziwayo nje enkonzweni zifundise ukuba attend because ukuphuma uyokhonza into ofanele wena oyijwayezayo lo mkhuba ukuthi nje mina I stand up makusuka isikhathi sokukhonza ngiyaphuma ngihambe ngiyohlanganyela. Mhlawumbe amanye amabandla uthola ngenza example akhonza Monday bayahlangana bebe ne-prayer meeting ngenza example. Wednesday babe ne-Bible study meeting ngenza example. Friday kube ne-service mhlawumbe ne-family service or youth service or whatsoever depending on the system of that church. Yenza isiqiniseko sokuthi lezi inkonzo ezisuke ezilungisiwe ibandla wena uba iphathi yazo. Lonto bazalwane ngicela singakayisi ku-spiritual angazi bani side. No. Just into leyo fanele uyijwayeze yona ukuthi nje mina ngumuntu ophumayo ahambe ayokhonza. Uma kukhonzwa ebandleni lakho ukhonzwa from 6 ntambama noma 5 noma ngo-4 noma whatsoever to 7:30 noma from 5 to 7 noma 5 to 6 yazi ukuthi I will be yenza isiqiniseko ukuthi mina ngizobe ngiyiphathi lento enziwe enkonzweni. That is number 1 and it's so very much important. It's a very good habit. Lijwayeza nje lo mkhuba wokuthi you fellowship. Umkhuba we-fellowship, umkhuba wokuhlangana. Mhlawumbe ngisho lento bazalwane ukuthi why it's so very much important to fellowship. Uma uhlanganyela kuma-program, every time uNkulunkulu moyingcwele embula noma ngumholi noma embula ngumholi ukuthi ibandla likhonze kanje. Leyo nto angayifanisa nani, kusuke kufana nokuthi nje iyona indlela ingayifanisa nani nje, ingayifanisa nale i-prescription yabona oyinikwe udokotela yabo, so mhlambe ngicela ukusenzele le prescription mhlawumbe okade ugula, dokotela mhlawumbe ukunikeza uprescribela imithi ethile, medication athi hamba kufuka uyithathe kanje, hamba athi ithathe ekuseni, thathe emini, thathe ntambama. Uyazi ukuthi lento njobe ishilo izokwazi ukuthi uyisebenze idile nalento eyi-challenge noma eyisifo emzimbeni wakho. So lento ke manje ukukhipha i-prescription okadokotela, ukuyidla nokuyilandela nje udokotela eshilo kufanele kube yakho wena ogulayo. So nawe kufanele uyijwayeze umkhuba ukuthi nje no, this is the system ehlelwe uNkulunkulu to take my life to the next level. Because kwi-journey yami yokukholwa ngiyahlangana nabantu abaningi uthothe bathandaza athi apostoli ngiyathanda ukuthi uNkulunkulu angikhulise, ngicela nje uNkulunkulu angikhulise emoyeni, ngicela uNkulunkulu angije ngifuna nje I want to see myself spiritual ngiya kwenye level, of which is very important. Then we'll sothandazani thandazela uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi umusa wakho uvuleke phezulu komzalwane akhule, only to find ukuthi mayise sisukela saqeda ukuthandaza uzobuyela mhlambe kuyi-local church or local place la hlala khona, uthola futhi manje akezwa ukuthandaza noma-ke noma engathandaza uthola akezwa ukuthandaza. Number 2, angabe saya ukuyohlanganyela ezintweni phela ezizomkhulisa okuyiyona njongo yakhe enkulu yokufuna ukubona impilo yakhe ikhula. So ke that's number 1 thing, yenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uzijwayeza umkhuba wokuhlanganyela, a fellowship. That is so much important, fellowship. Ukuthi nje mina nje manginama programs enkonzweni ngiba khona. Ngigcine ngiqale ngamabomu ngeenkonzo lezi midweek because izona izinkonzo ejwayela uku-undermineka kubazalwane. One day I will come back ngizokhuluma ngazo kuphela. Yabo, these midweek services ujwayele ukuthi undermineke, uthothi iglory itholwa i-Sunday service. But it's so much important bazalwane ukuthi njengabazalwane siyazi attenda nalezi inkonzo ezinye eziphakathi nezinsuku. Uku-attenda nje kwenza kube umkhuba. Bafowethu, ngizokutshela nansi into eziwu-2 ebalulekile. Angeke ukwazi uku-attenda ukukhonza uma ungaqalanga ukuthi uyidiscipline. Fellowship nje, ukuhlanganyela noku-attend inkonzo kudinga idiscipline. Kufana nokuya emsebenzini. Yabo, kufana nokusebenza nje. Ngeke ungasheshe uxoshwe emsebenzini uma ungazi uqala ngokuthi wena njengomuntu oseqashiwe njenge-employee ube discipline. First number 1, isikhathi ovuka ngaso ungakaqashwa emsebenzini asizokufana noma usuqashiwe. Emsebenzini makuthiwa ungena ngo7 kade wena ulala uvuka mhlawumbe ngabo8 because bungakasebenzi. Now usuthola umsebenzi and ukufuna emsebenzini ngo7, obvious futhi kuzofanele ukuthi manje ngo5 okade ungavuki ngayo fanele ubusuvukile wama ngenyawo because now uthola umsebenzi ozokudinga elokhuzeni, umsebenzi ukudinga ngo7 emsebenzini. So kukhona izinto njalo into esicishe ifuna ukulimaza ukuthi mase kuziwe into ezi-spiritual abazana bacabanga ukuthi leya commitment abayifakayo ezintweni zabo zasenyameni ayifani noma abayifaka ezintweni zabo zakomoya. Exactly. Naseyintweni zakho za-spiritual definitely ukuze ube umzalwane okhulayo enkosini ukhona izinto okuzofanele ukuthi uzisebenze in terms of more special that discipline. Kufanele ube discipline. Ngeke uhlanganyele i-fellowship ikwazi ukuba ukwazi ukuhlanganyela ube njalo ube khona einkonzweni la usuke udingeka khona uma ungeyena umuntu odiscipline. Number 2, akulona iqiniso ukuthi uzokuya enkonzweni ngoba nakho ingekho into o-committed kuyona. No. Bazalwane, ukukhonza uNkulunkulu kuyi-life commitment. It's one of the life commitment. Ezinye zama-covenants esiwenzile. Asikhonza uNkulunkulu because we feel. Because enye into yokulimaza ukufuna ukuya enkonzweni ngoba ufila ukuya khona. Kungabi covenant. It's something that I do even if I don't feel ukuthi ngiyenze. Yabo? So yenza ukukhonza kube into oyenza because of the covenant that you made with the Lord. Uyabona kube yinto attend i-altar, attend ama-services, kube yinto oyenza because of the covenant. Uyabona once wayikhumula lento wayifaka kakhulu kuma feelings akho. Whoa kuzoba i-win, kube i-lose, kube i-win, kube i-lose, uzoba on and off. Akube yinto oyikhommithile kuyo. Yabona if into i-commitment it's out of your will. Yabo into engaphandle kwentando yakhe, it's something that you do ngoba kufanelwe ukuba uyenze. Yabona you don't have choice. Into ofanele uyenze ngoba kufanele ukuthi uyenze. Awuyenzi ngoba you enjoy it. Uyenza ngoba kufanele. Njengoba ngenza isibonelo ngokwemsebenzi. Sometimes leke lini izulu bonda cha ngeke namhlanje liyani but you'll see ukuthi no ngisayina i-contract ukuthi ngizoba semsebenzini every day. Because of that contract engayisayina I must go. So exactly like that bazalwane, nathi we need to nyusa izinga lethu bazalwane, sikhuphula izinga lethu le commitment ekukhonzeni uNkulunkulu. Ngoba into ekade umoya ingcwele engithinta ngayo ukuthi indlela ibandla likaKristu elihandlisha ngayo izinto zombuso i-light, we are casual kakhulu. As a result siyahluleka ukucompete nama principalities because ama-principalities and this opposite kingdom ma principles abo. Uyabona silwa nombuso principled, umbuso obumnyama mawukwafika kuona principled, principled laba bantu ngeke ube strong, ngeke ube sithenjwa sombuso opposite uma umuntu ocasual obuye lento ntabo zabo uzenza ubungazenza. Kufanele ungene evumalwaneni lapha is strong ka life and death. So exactly nasembusweni kaNkulunkulu we need to commit ourselves to that way. So ukhoza ngabe into light nakuhlanganyela bazalwane futhi ngicela ukusho it's a spiritual exercise. I-fellowship kuba khona enkonzweni ngisho bethiwa awuzukuparticipate, awuzukuphatha uhlela, awuzukushumayela, usokohlanganya nabazana okuthandaza. Ihubo 133 lithi ubuhle kumnandi ukubona abazana behlangene bendawo. There's a blessing of coming. Yabona kune favor nje, kunomhlabelonzi womunye umzalwane ukudevelop, kune sharing your testimony yomunye umzalwane evula something. I-capacity yakhe iyanda mawumuntu ohlanganyela ukhonza because i-growth yomzalwane ayikho in your private prayers only. I-growth yakho ilele nangabanye abantu. uNkulunkulu wenza ukuthi ngikhule ngokuthi ngilalele abanye abantu, ngikhule ngokuthi ngibe ne-personal relationship naye where I pray alone. That is my maybe idlala abo 50%. Mase another 50% uNkulunkulu uyekele ukuthi uyohlanganyela nabanye ukhule through them. Yabo? So ingakho sithi insimbi lona insimbi. It's so much important ukuthi sazi ukuthi bazalwane i-growth yomzalwane iyalala nakwabanye abantu. I normally say ingakho ungam-undermine omunye umuntu, ungayi-undermine inkonzo yomunye because inkonzo ebekwa komunye umuntu isuke ilithuluzi lokukhulisa wena. Yabona uNkulunkulu akamnika umuntu i-grace for himself or for herself. uNkulunkulu akamnika umuntu ugcobo for himself or for herself. Wabona kukhona umuntu onenkonzo ethize okwazi ukuthi leyo nkonzo i-weapon, isikhali, ithuluzi. Uyabona lokuba uNkulunkulu asebenze wena ngayo. Uyabo? So uma ukhona okwazi ukuhlabelela omunye angakwazi, wenzela uNkulunkulu ukuthi lo okwazi ukuhlabelela khonze lo ongakwazi ukuhlabelela. Mase uba khona oshumayelayo ongenayo inkonzo yokushumayela, wenzela ukuthi lo oshumayelayo akwazi ukukhonza lo ongenayo inkonzo yokushumayela. Siya exchangeana ngama grace. I-grace yakho ikhonza mina, eyakho ikhonza mina, ekaloya ikhonza lo. Manje mangahlanganyelwa usuku uSathane efuna nje ukuthi ama grace engakwazi ukupolishana nomzimba kaKristu ungapholishana because two izandla ziyagezana. Can you imagine lesandla singapha sakwa right sithi nje ngeke ngi right ngizoyiphilela ngi1? No, naso ukuze survive sidinga lesesinye nalesesinye ukuze survive sidinga lesesinye. So ukuze ngigeze le part yami yakwa left, I need my right hand. Ukuze ngigeze le part yami yakwa left yakwa right, I need my left hand. So that is so much important bazalwane. Izinto ofanele lezi singayithatheli kancane. So sibambe nje ngezandla zombili ukuthi once siyohlanganyela sisuke siyorabha ama grace. Masiyohlanganyela ndawonye bazalwane sisuke siyoshare. Now uyothatha lento kunjani pho bazalwane manibuthana, omunye uba nehubo, omunye uba nesiprofeto, omunye uba nelimi, omunye uba nesifundiso, omunye uba nomhlabelelo kanjalo. So lithi iBhayibheli konke kodwa kwenziwa ukwakhiwa kwebandla. Uyabo? So uqondile iBhayibheli lapha sifuna ukuziveza ukuthi asizi siyinto efanayo. Yabona, it's a combination. Kwi-home set, it's a combination of different grace. Yabona, kwi-Sunday service, it's a combination of different grace. Siya kwi-Passover conference manje, it's a combination of different grace. So ayikho inkonzo enkulu, excuse me, ayikho inkonzo engekho nkulu, I want to say that, yes. Ayikho inkonzo engekho nkulu. Kushabe kuthiwa inkonzo ya midweek, go there, fellowship, that 1 hour, go pray, then you go to your precious busy. Yabo, once wonke umuntu engabeka ama-excuses akhe bazalwane, ngakho fanele ukuze ukwazi ukukhonza akube i-covenant ukukhonza. Yabona, it's something that you don't do because you feel. Covenant isivumelwano osikhandayo. Angazi usibiza ngani manje, kufanele noletho ukusayina ama-contract manje. Yabona, you sign the covenant with the Lord and say, no, I will save you. So umkhonzi awubeki ama-reasons. Once kuhanda ama-reasons azokwenza ungakhonzi onke, ngeke uhlale ukhonza. Once you consider ama-reasons ongayenzi into ethinta uNkulunkulu phakathi, uyohlala ungayenzi. Because the reasons are more than 100,000 angakwenza ungayenzi into. But you overcome those reasons. That's why isibiza ngamaqhawe. You have to overcome those reasons and push yourself to do what is good. Sonke wonke umuntu engabeka ama-reasons akhe la, ngeke ukwazi ukwenza lutho in life, including nalokho kusho kuthiwa kuyonto spiritual nje. Mhla waqoqa ama-reasons abamaningi kakhulu ongayenzi into ngeke uyenze. So overlook izathu zokungayenzi into ngoba i-passion yakho nesivumelwano sakho ne-covenant yakho ukuthi I must do this. So that is so much important. That is precious number 1. Ngeke ngiqede konke namhlanje ngibone sengihlale kakhulu ku-fellowship. So we need to do that bazalwane. I wish I can ngamaphekwe enkulu intaba and shout this one. Because bazalwane i-crisis esibhekane nayo in the kingdom ukuthi thina bazalwane we just siba casual ezintweni zethu, while umbuso olwa nawo nathi bazalwane uba more serious against us. Yabo, silwa nombuso obona ukuthi hey these people can do anything. Yabona, angikho good kulento engiyishayo, but from my experience of preaching, you will hear abantu beshare ama-testimonies abo bephuma from the darkness world. Ubone hey akudlalwa lapha, yabona. Others will tell you eksene kakhulu senze ukuthi masebenza into yama-rituals, amanye angazi ukwenziwani lapha, I'm not sure bazalwane. Bayabona thothi abanye bathi bavuka ngo-3 ngo-2 ekseni bayogeza. Hey hey abantu ba so much committed. Yabona, omunye uphila ngayo lento kuthiwa njalo uvuka ekseni before emsebenzini you have to do this. Futhi nakhona nikeze ikhathi ese-acquired ngoba njalo uma ufuna ama-results noma kufuna supernatural power ufanele uphume e-comfort zone. Number 1 into carry the 5 good habit. Good habit number 1 is when you commit yourself to fellowship. Bazalwane ungayenzi lento ngoba uyafila. No, kube dedication. iBhayibheli lithi encwadini yezenzo 2:42 uyolifunda ke lithi baqinisela njalo isifundisweni sabapostoli nasemikhulekweni, bese lithi nasekuhlanganyeleni, bese lithi nasekuhlephuleni isinkwa. I-fellowship phakathi lapha lithi baqinisela njalo. That is Acts chapter number 2 verse 42. Baqinisela njalo isifundisweni sabapostoli. Yabona igama lokuqinisela. Yabo? Ukuthi into they were dedicated, elinye lithi devoted themselves. Yabo, so into edinga umuntu oyenza lento. There are forces that are pushing you away because devil understands why we value yokuhlanganyela. But there are forces that will push you away not to do what is good. So you overcome those forces, you stand against them and you push yourself to do what is good. ingakho iBhayibheli lingakuyeki ukwenza okuhle ngoba ngesikhathi esifanele niyawuthola umvuzo wakhona. So that is so much important. That is so much important. So that is power of fellowship. I'm tempted ukuthi ngenze le second point as the last point, then mase siyathandazana because sengikhulume kakhulu kule point yokuqala. But ngisazobuya nawo lama points because I need to bring you 5 points that will help you. 5 good habits fanele banjwe yikhona. Yabona, habit number 1 ukuthi nje mina I stand up and go ngiyahlanganyela. Yabona, makuyokhonzwa I go there. All right again. Let me just help someone because this platform yama believers I just help the church. Mina uma uthi angilalela kahle more kakhulu kubazalwane na kwi local church ngikhuluma nange harmony, indlela efanele siphilisane ngayo nangendlela efanele sibekezelele ngayo nezinto eziminor nje esingayinaki kodwa is ignite revival. Njoba kwi great revival awakening le bazalwane lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo izinto eza kickstarter i-revival kwi early church. You may go there. Abapostoli babe good ku fellowship. Yabona ikhathi zokuhlangana zayihlonishwa. Uyakhumbula ukuthi uPetro benoJohn babenyukele etempelini babe ngehora lokuthandaza. Lithi iBhayibheli kwasokuyisikhathi sokuba bayo thandaza. Lithi iBhayibheli kwaku ihora lesishiyagalolunye. So it was around 3. Yeah, 6 to 9. Yeah, 3. I enter my watches at 6 to 9. That is 3 hours. Meseliti 9 to 12. That is 6 hours. Yeah, meseliti 12 to 3. That is 9 hours. Yes. Njoba kuthiwa kwihora hayi kuthiwa ku 9 o'clock lapha cha. Njoba kuthiwa kwihora lesishiyagalolunye kwasho ukuthi kwakuyi third watch. Futhi kwaku around 3 kwakusikhathi santambama kathi uJohn benoPetro beya etempelini bethandazela lo wabhuti wayihlele ngasemnyango kuthiwa umuhle. You will see ukuthi into yokuqala yenza ukuthi ba lo wamfo bahlangana. Okay, awengikhuluma ukuthi into yokuqala yenza ukuthi uNkulunkulu a release that divine power phezulu kwabo baze ba perform leya miracle. Into yokuqala bayenza bahlonipha isikhathi sokuyokhonza. Yabo, bahlonipha fellowship. Ukuba bayanga lapha uNkulunkulu wayezothola anyone yabona uzomsebenzisa available because kwakuyilanga le deliverance yalo wabhuti. Washo ukuthi uthola abantu abakuhloniphayo ukuhlangana. Uyacabanga ukuthi uPetro wavela wangenwa umoya nje benoJohn ukuthi balove bangayi kwi fellowship ngalola kanti uNkulunkulu uplane ukwenza isimangaliso ngabo that day. Never ever just simple skip the services unnecessarily. Mangithi unnecessarily ngifaka ibracket unnecessary sidingo masingekho. Please don't stay at home ibandla lihlangana likhonza. Angazi ukuthi how can I emphasize this? Yabona, I wish I can say this more. Don't stay at home uma ibandla lihlangene likhonza. Yabona, ukukhonza uNkulunkulu it's commitment. It's something, a covenant. Asikhonza uNkulunkulu because we feel like. Yabona, sikhonza uNkulunkulu because it's a covenant. Yabona, ingakho imali sabashwamaya. Ingakho uJesu lento emayenza esebenza lento insindiswa wayisebenza ngegazi. Yabo, it's a blood covenant. Jesus died. Uzasithenga wasithenga ngegazi lakhe. So yabona lento it's a blood covenant. Akuyona into futhi siyenze light. Once ihamba ngama feelings ukuba uJesu wafila like dying for us ngaba kasifela. Yabo, but wenze isivumelwano segazi noNkulunkulu. Nathi fanele sazi bazalwane ukuthi hey bo sithengwe ngegazi ithi lenkosi nazi ukuthi nithengwe ngenani eliphezulu engabe iziqhila zabantu. So we must understand that, church. We must understand that and let us do whatsoever that we do in the kingdom and let us commit ourselves. Results, results you athola nge-commitment. Yabona. Uma yonke into yenza light, you get the light results. Yabona, ayikho into othola ama-results serious kade nje uyenza nje ma ufila ma ungafili awuyenzi. No. I'm talking like this bazalwane bami siya kwi-Passover conference ama-Passover and I'm talking ngikhuluma nebandla lonke likaKristu all over the world. Everyone ongizwayo nje if ongizwayo nje ongizwayo wonke umzalwane. Yabona, we need to prepare maybe in one of our segments or maybe next week ngizokwenza ama-sessions awu-2. Yabo, ngenza ukuthi ngibuye ngiprepare abazalwane ngoba sawu kuhlangana kwi-conference lapho ufundise how to catch the blessing of fellowship. So that is so much important, church. Ngifuna sikubambeni lokho. Okwesibili esokhuluma ngakho ngizoba nama details akho next time sengiyavala manje. Sobuye sikhulumeni ngepunctuality. Khulumeni ngepunctuality. Ngifundisene abazalwane ukuthi umkhubo omuhle ukuthi ugcine isikhathi. Uhloniphe isikhathi sokukhonza. Namhlanje ngithe ama details amba bethi, hey, yenza sure ukuthi uyaphuma iwine lento. Bazalwane ngifuna ukunitshelana ukuhlala ekhaya ungakhonzi. Uyabona kuumoya, yabona kucanal, unesinyama. Ngoba vele into esuka iphezulu idominate ama interest enyama. Yabona? Ingakho uJesu mekhuluma ngembewu uthi yenye yawela emeveni. Kule yawela emeveni laba abantu ababanjwa iminako yezwe. Yabo, so dominate kakhulu lezi zinto ezinye. Either ungabaleka ukuthi I need to rest. Yabona? Khona kodwa into eshumayelayo nje. Isuke ikushumayeza okungaphezulu kwalokhu yehlise isisindo sokukhonza uNkulunkulu, kwehlisa iweight yokukhonza uNkulunkulu. Sengathi yabona we slave mayokhonza uNkulunkulu. Sengathi une freedom mawungayi kwi-altar. But these other bazalwane bami ngeke ngiwamention because ngi-live. Yabona kunamanye kunezinkolo ezinye bayazi abanye uma ayikho into ezihlonipha njenge-altar labo. Yabona ngisho ibusiness labo bathi i-altar lami likhulu kunemali yami, likhulu kunebusiness lami, likhulu kunefamily yami. Uma ungafika kubona ngo-12 kanti isikhathi sabo soku-attend i-altar from 12 to 1 ngisho ukuthi uphethe 10 million. But no. Asiyenzeki imistake la. Asi-replace ukuye e-altar ngenye into. Yabo. So those people are dominating badla South Africa bayidla because ba-principled. Entweni kaNkulunkulu wabo ongaphili. Yabona angudoubt ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabo akaphili. But ba-principled. Yabona uNkulunkulu ngendlela ayihlonipha ngayo ama-principles. Imiso. Yabona lento eyimiso umuntu ngishenza into negative ugcina thola ama results. Yabona kodwa umuntu yalo umuntu lento ayenzayo it's a negative thing. Kodwa uthola ukuthi ngoba principled agcina ngathi uthola ama results. So I'm praying ukuthi umoya ingcwele asilekelele thina sonke bazalwane and let us be part of ukuthi sihlonipheni izinto ezithinta thina. Namhlanje ngithe number 1 is the power of fellowship. I want to see everyone standing up bazalwane. Go and fellowship. Don't let the ball. Singawisi ibhola phansi. I used to tell abazalwane ukuthi yabona uma uthi sihlangana siba u10 bese kuba khona abawu4 abangezi. Kubulala ngisho nesystem yethu nje yabona kulimaza nescheme naso igama engifuna ukulisho. Yabona manje ama players ethu bese yazi thina ama player u10 njengamanje kodwa manje siba u4 wonke awuzanga. Kodwa manje sidlala against i-team ephelele yona ngayo. Yabona nje ukuthi siyayidlisa i-team. So let us push ourselves to fellowship. Secondly, yenza isiqiniseko ukuthi uyasihlonipha isikhathi sokukhonza. Ngizobuya ngibe nama details alokho. Hayi ngiyazi ukuthi hayi enye ama crisis esinawo ebandleni lawo. Hayi. Moya ingcwele nje ungcinizela ngalozo zinto bazalwane efanele sizihloniphe. Isikhathi sokukhonza. Hayi ngiyabuya kulokho. And ngizonikhulekela bazalwane bami nayo le ngizoyisiphula lezi impande ezibamba abazalwane ukuthi nje kungakhonza. Kunamabandla namhlanje ayaziwe endaweni kwi-local church. Kwi-local church ayaziwe ukuthi kuyakhonzwa lapha. Yabona kwakuzwakala inhlokoma behlabelela. Ngisho ethu isound bingekho almost. Uze uthi hayi kunomculo yami lapha kuyahlatshelwa njalo mhlambe ngomsombuluko lesithathu hayi. Sekuzwa nomphakathi uyazi ukuthi hayi mawuseculwa lapha hayi lezi inkonzo zabo lokuza. Ubona lento ine impact. What happened? Bavela balova abazalwane bacisha ba-attenda zacisha inkonzo kugcina sekuhlangana abantu abawu2 kwagcina engasahlangana. Kuneyindawo ezilengokhiye namhlanje kade kukhonzwa. Akusakhonzwa manje. Uyabona Sunday ke uyabona awulile ibandla likhona. La bazalwane siyathandaza. Uyabona ukuze sibe ne-impact so that the revival imvuselo lizoqhuma even where we are. Ngithe iqaleni akunandaba ukuthi uhlala kuphi. Ngisho uhlala edropini, ngisho uhlala elokishini, ngisho uhlala emakhaya, ngisho uhlala kuma informal settlements, wherever you stay uNkulunkulu kwethembile kuloo ndawo. Uyabona ubekwe lapho i-strategy sikaNkulunkulu esikwenze kwaba kuloo ndawo. So then ungayibukeli phansi. Anything that you may do there, i-kingdom izokusupport. Yabona the power of God will support you because God wants to ignite revival every corner. but ibandla fanele silibuyisele kuma positions, more especially sibuyisele the revival of fellowship. Then a revival and the revival and the glory of fellowship. Secondly, revival and glory of punctuality. Of timekeeping. Those are izinto engama values abazalwane lawo. Yabona izinto zethu lezi. Those are values of Christianity. Values of Christianity is fellowship. Values of Christianity is timekeeping. It's learn to keep a very disciplined member. And some of these other points we shall look at it after. So namhlanje ngifuna sibambeni lokho bathandakazi. Ngifuna ukukhipha yabo bazalwane ngenzele skiphe danqwayizwi. Yabona mhlambe ke one will say impostoli I have reasons engenza angakwazi ukuhlanganyela, maybe umsebenzi ongisebenzayo ekhaya ngifika ngo9 ngo8 kanti i-home sale yethu iqala ngo6 iphele ngo7 mina ngifika ngo8. That one you don't even need to explain, but the reality is God knows that. Don't worry, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi lokho. Mina engidila nakho ilokho one potential namandla okukwenza ongakwenzi. Uyabona nakho engidila nakho nalokho ocabanga ukuthi ngeke ukwazi ukwenza uzulove, ngoba abanye bethu bathi ngeke ngikwazi ngeke ngithi ufika nje ngo6 hayi ngeke sengiyaphuma njalo sengiye enkonzweni this that no yabona ke lapho ukhonto ongakwazi ukuyenza. Yabona mina ngiyazi ukuthi amandla akho mhla wavula amaphiko uzobona ukuthi possible. Indaba iqala ngalesikhathi usuyishumayize went akukho possible. Hayi ke vele ngeke kube possible. Ngoba lapho nkathi uthi into ngeke iyenzeke usukuvalela ngisho usukuvala yonke iminyango, uvala yonke amaphiko yokuthi ungayenza kanjani lento ibe possible. So God must help us. I love you. One sibe nama points awu2 namhlanje. It's a fellowship. Sikhulume ngefellowship akho saba nama details kuyona. Then the second one is khathi. Hayi, ngiyathandazela esikhathini. Amen kaJesu. Amen. Ngikhulekela. Sifundise akubo mkhuba number 1, habit number 1, good habit number 1 ngiyakhonza. Ngiyahlanganyela. Good habit number 2. Ngiyasibamba isikhathi. Uma ngingenwa ngo9 enkonzweni be there. Yabo? Be there. Ayise ngiyabona ukuthi yazi ini kwaqala esikoleni umuntu aqala first year lapha awuthisha amegate lapho kwakufundiswa lethe to discipline, because life needs discipline. Spiritual life need a disciplined people. Yabona spiritually if you are not disciplined ungazi ubona ngathi izinto azenzeka kanti zenzeka. So nakhona ku spiritual life you need order and discipline. Time ube conscious esikhathini. Yabona isikhathi ungathi hey siyaphila, isikhathi siwumuntu bafowethu, isikhathi siyinto esinendlebe siyezwa, isikhathi sinomthelele, isikhathi siugcobo, isikhathi sinkazumulo. I will show you ngama verses next time. Isikhathi sine impact futhi isikhathi asireplaceeki into ebhlungu. Into befana ngiyenze 30 minutes ago mangasayenzanga sengiyenza after 30 minutes futhi kuloya 30 minutes loya kube nento empty a space engenzekanga empilweni yami. So uma inkonzo iqala ngo9 ngifika ngo10:45 ngalo 45 minutes ngingekho khonto kodwa ibiyenzeka. Akwenzeki kuthiwa akwenzeki lutho. So kulento ebekade iyenzeka ke befana ngabe iyenzeka nami ngikhona. So I'm losing something kuloya 45 minutes ngilate. So fanele wazi ukuthi I'm losing something. Abanye abantu they think mangifikile nje. No. Musukulahlela. Yabona umukhonza uNkulunkulu iba intentional. Usithi hayi ngicine ngifikile ngibonga khona ngifikile ngavela nje. Iba intentional. Unless otherwise kunama valid noNkulunkulu angawasayina. Yabona omunye ngiyaphuma ekuseni ngo9 into engenza nginene lokho uzana ufika mphuma emsebenzini ngiphume ngo6 inkonzo vele izobisiqalile kodwa ngizogijima ukuthi at least akuthi kushaya before 7:30 inkonzo iphuma sengiyikhona. So ngicina ngifika enkonzweni ngabo 6:30 7:15. Hayi don't worry, don't kill yourself. I understand that. I'm talking about you ungakwazi ukuba khona inkonzo iqala. Push yourself to do that. Because kukhona into eyenzakalayo la enkathi ungakafiki. Ngishabe uthiwe bekwenza umthandazo kuphela, kodwa lokho ongabibikho kulowo mthandazo kukhonto ngabe sekuyenzile ukuba nawe ubuyingxenye yalowo mthandazo. Yabo? So izinto lezo fanele uyifundise zona ngoba uJesu uyabuya masinyane. Why are we teaching this? Jesus is coming back again very soon. Why are we teaching this? Because it is the season of great revival, of last great revival. So God wants to equip the church, revive the church, so that sizokhonza uNkulunkulu si revived. May the good God bless you for today. Bazalwane ngicela sibambe la. Ngithatha ama points awu2. I'm coming back with another Big point. Thank you for listening. I can't take la amanye bazalwane bami because of my time. Nanokuthi ukuze sathi sikhuluma ngani, I don't want to half bese ngikha phezulu nje. No. Ngakho ngithe sibe nama details. I will take your questions, I will take your prayer lokhuzana items. WhatsApp wethu bazalwane bami. Just go straight there. Angena ku WhatsApp, I will pray for you. Bazalwane ongakaze ngimphendule angi-indicatele. Ngizamile abanye ukukhuluma nabo. Osiyami mangakafiki kuwe ungenze ngibe aware umpostoli awungiphendulile belu. But I've tried bazalwane to attend abanye abazalwane as you can see the blue ola, as you can see blue ola. These are messages bazalwane bam enu. Oh, but these are messages en bazalwane. Look, these are messages, a lot of them maningi, but I'm trying by all power to attend them. Ngesikhathi sokuwa attend abanye ngiyakhuleka ngibathandazele taking ama messages up. Ayikho into oyenzayo engenamthelela. Please bazalwane bami, don't give up. Ungacabanga ukuthi vele apostoli nje hayi. Uma kwenzeka kuthatha uyifaka imessage, uthatha usuku olulodwa noma izimbili ubona ngengayi